Welcome along to the introduction to Unleashed. For some of you, this may be the first time you've seen Unleashed. Before we get started, let's have a look at the Unleashed workflow at a high level or helicopter view if you'd like. We'll start off at the purchasing side. We create purchase orders in Unleashed so we know how much we're purchasing and the purchase price. Once the goods have arrived in our business, it then becomes inventory. Now we do have a double arrow between purchasing and inventory because from time to time we need to return goods back to the supplier. Now the inventory side, we have a whole bunch of really awesome features to help you manage inventory, such as stock adjustments, stock takes, moving goods between warehouses, and our production features. We'll be covering these off in just a few moments. Moving down to our sales side, which is most important to your business. We conduct sales out of Unleashed so we have real-time information about how much stock is on hand at any given time. From time to time, customers may request a credit, so we have the double arrow from sales back into inventory. Along the way in purchasing, inventory and sales, we may send through a transaction into your accounting software to keep your financial side up to date. Now let's have a look at Unleashed. When you first log in, you'll be presented with the dashboard. This is perfect for keeping an eye on your business and how your business is tracking at any given time. We show some helpful graphs as well as some sales statistics and transactions that you may want to follow up on, such as late sales or low stock items. Unleashed is laid out in such a way to make it easier to find the functionality that you need. We have the modules at the top and each have a menu structure underneath. We also have a global search which is always shown to help you find the transaction you're looking for. When creating transactions in Unleashed, you'll find the transaction screen, like our purchase order here. The screen is laid out with all the information that you need to populate. Do note that some items, the labels are hypertext links, allowing you to drill down to further information. Once we've created this purchase order, we'll be able to see and view purchases all of our historical data. And here we're able to filter the information and also move it on to its next stage. So here in the action column, we have the action cog, and by hovering over it, we get a list of the next steps. Do note in several places in Unleashed you have the clone feature, allowing you to duplicate a transaction, such as purchase orders, products, and sales. If you're the business owner or manager, you may want to monitor business performance. Unleashed has some very rich reports that can be customized to help you find the information you're looking for. Here we can see the stock reorder report. We have the filters up the top, and we also have the ability to export this report to PDF or to a spreadsheet. One of the nice things about this particular report is you're able to automate the reorder of low stock. And we can see a list of all the low stock in this report. As you may be new to Unleashed, you want to bring across all of your existing data. You can either create new records as needed, or you can import your existing content. This applies to suppliers, products, bill of materials, and customers. Also in the inventory area, we have some features to manage your products, such as your stock adjustments, moving stock between warehouses, and your stock takes. Unleashed also has some really rich functionality to enable you to purchase raw components into your business and compile them to a finished product. We can do this using the production features, starting with the bill of materials, which is defining what components will be used in the final product, as well as creating assemblies. Of course, sales are the most important thing to any business, so we conduct sales in Unleashed. In doing so, we add products into a sales order and we can see straight away the margin and profit we're making, line by line, and the total on the overall invoice. Dispatching the goods from your business to your customers can be managed through the shipment process. Along the way, you're able to track these shipments in the sales order screen. From time to time, the ordered quantity may be more than what you have on hand. We have some back order management features to enable you to ship out what you have on hand now, create a purchase order for the remaining items, and either drop ship to your customer or to ship the goods when they arrive in your warehouse. Another one of our commonly used reports is the margin inquiry, where we can see sales and could possibly group this by the salespersons, enabling you to easily calculate sales commission. If you're new to Unleashed, you may want to go through the setup of your account underneath the settings to configure your account and enhance the use of Unleashed. If you haven't already, we do suggest you to sign up for a trial of Unleashed to have a play around with it for yourself. Go to the Unleashed website and click on Try Unleashed for free now. If you're unsure if Unleashed is going to suit your business, please feel free to contact us for a free scoping session where one of our solution architects can go through your business requirements with you and let you know if Unleashed is a good fit. Thank you very much for your time, and I do hope you enjoy your Unleashed adventures.